Michigan's Supreme Court denies the civil lawsuits brought by the families of the Oxford school shooting.
This is just more salt on the wound of how our government has treated us.
Mothers and fathers react to losing their bid for a measure of justice in the case. On November 30th, 2021, Hannah St. Juliana, Tate Meir, Justin Schilling, and Madison Baldwin went to school, but they never came home.
And since that day, 3.5 years ago, their families have worked to hold not just the shooter, but also the school district responsible for its role in their children's deaths. Today, that effort was defeated in a ruling by the state Supreme Court. Will Jones is live on this story tonight. And will those families still believe more people need to be held accountable?
Damon and Kimberly, this has been a difficult journey for these Oxford families, and the legal fight is just one part of it. And this is not the outcome that they wanted, but they are determined to continue to push forward.
This is horrible. This is absolutely horrible, and there's going to be no change coming out of this tragedy.
The legal fight for the Oxford High School families to hold the school district legally responsible for the 2021 mass shooting is now over following the Michigan Supreme Court's decision to not take up their appeal.
I think we're all still kind of just trying to process that they won't even listen to our case. You know, this was a mass casualty. This was a huge deal. And the fact they don't seem to care is just, it's really disheartening.
The Michigan Court of Appeals ruling last September will stand. The court affirmed a lower court decision that Oxford Community Schools and their employees have governmental immunity.
We argued a number of different things. Number one, we argued that governmental immunity should absolutely be abolished and ruled unconstitutional.
The families say they will continue their fight in other areas.
We need to start asking for change at other levels. We need to go to our legislature, we need to go to our schools, and we need to start getting answers.
I can't believe that a tragedy of this nature, our government can just sweep it under the rug and say, sorry for your luck.
Tim Mullins represents Oxford Community Schools. He sent over a statement. He said the case was well decided. He also said employees should not be held responsible for criminal acts of independent third parties. We are live tonight. Will Jones, Local 4.
All right, Will, thank you for that update.